There's a new shop opening up in Devon.
What's the name of the shop?
Los Angeles is the name of the shop. It is a closed shop. It will open next week.
I so can't wait.
Why did the TV have to get robbed? I'm so bored. What did I do to deserve this burden?
Gosh, I'm so overwhelmed by Los Angeles.
Me too. It's a lovely shop. How much will these clothes cost?
They will be about €20.
Okay. Hello. This is Anita McCullough. I'm ringing to know, is there any information on the burglary at my house? No information yet. Okay, bye.